I make over $27,000 every single month selling digital products like ebooks. And over the years, I've even grossed over 6 figures selling digital products as a whole. But the cool thing about all of this is, most of the times, I don't even create the ebooks. Look, the world has changed so much, and nowadays, you don't have to be a graphic designer, a copywriter. You don't even need to know how to use things like Canva. You can actually purchase products with full private label rights and master resale rights and market and promote it as your own, like you're the real creator. And all of this is done through something called PLR, or private label rights, or MRR, and master resale rights. And in this video, I'm going to show you my top 3 sites where I get the best winning and profitable digital products that you can brand and resell as your own and collect 100% of the profits. So if you're a person who's not tech savvy, you don't have a lot of money, or you just don't have a lot of time, this is the video for you if you want to increase and scale your business with digital products, all without having to create them from scratch. And if you watch this full video to the end, I'm going to show you a private label rights company that gives you over 400,000 digital products from every different niche you can imagine for one low price that you pay one time. And this company has been my go-to company for downloading digital products with private label rights and master resale rights that I can market and promote as my own and collect 100% of the profits. And this saves me so much time, you guys. So stay tuned to the end. I'm going to show you that video and more right now. Now, coming in at number 3 is a company called the Digital PLR Product Vault. And using the link just below this video is going to take you to a page just like this to where you can unlock over 600 plus digital products that you can market and brand and resell as your own. And the cool thing about this, it's absolutely free. Now on the inside, you're going to have access to over 600 plus digital products, and all you got to do is just click download and it's going to automatically download to your device. There's no charge and it's absolutely free. Now this is perfect for anybody who's trying to make money online with digital products but don't know how to create them. Using the link down below this video is going to give you so many digital products with many different niches that you can choose from and start selling online as soon as today. And like I said, there are so many products in this database, over 600 that you have to choose from, and they go on and on and on. So I'm quite sure you're going to find something that resonates with you that you can sell and resell over and over and over and create passive income. Let's move on to PLR or MRR website number 2. Now this website is called plrdatabase.net, and the cool thing about this website is that you have access to over 27,000 done for you products. Now this website isn't entirely free, but they do have free products that you can download without paying a dime. To unlock and check out their free products, all you have to do is click on the marketplace up top, go over to free products, and then this window is going to open up and redirect you to this page where you can choose all of their free products. But if you want to upgrade, they start with plans, but just for $10 a month, it's going to give you unlimited downloads, full licenses. They even have class and lessons, forums, and profiles. And then you're also going to get access to their exclusive products, their platinum products, and premium articles. I'm going to make sure I leave that link down below this video so you can go and check it out. Like I said, you can get started for absolutely free and stay free forever, or if you want to upgrade, you can check out their premium plans. Now, as promised, I told you if you stick around to the end of this video, I'm going to show you a site called the Digital Product Library that's going to give you access to over 400,000 digital products with private label rights that you can market and sell as your own, so you can save yourself a lot of time and money, and you won't have to create these products from scratch. And you keep 100% of the profits. This is a game changer. You're always going to have access to any of these products, and you won't be stuck or confined to just one niche. There's many different types of products from different niches that you can choose from, because we're talking about 400,000, you guys. Let's check it out. Now, the name of this website is called the 400K Digital Library. And just like it says, this library is loaded with digital content you need to kick off your business. This is going to get you to your digital marketing goals so much faster because you won't have to do all the work yourself. When you purchase our PLR package, you're going to get instant access to our library of over 400,000 digital products that you can edit, customize, and resell as your own and keep 100% of the profits. Because let's just be honest, you guys, you can go on a place like Fiverr or Upwork and hire somebody to create your ebook for you, but it's going to cost you anywhere to $90 to over $150. And yes, you can say, hey, I'm going to keep my money and just do this myself, but it's going to take you a lot of time and a lot of work that you may not have. And you're going to have to go through all that hassle and frustration for just one digital product, when you could have just purchased master resale rights or private label rights and could be making money the day you purchase it. And like I said, you're going to have access to over 400,000 digital products from multiple different niches, all in one place, your own library. And you can rebrand, resell, and keep 100% of the profits, you guys. This is a game changer. But the best thing about this, you guys, it only costs $30. $30 to get access to over 400,000 digital products with private label rights. You're going to keep 100% of the profits, save yourself a lot of time, a lot of money, a lot of hassle, and be able to start selling and making money in your business as soon as today. Look, I don't know if there's anything else out there like that, but I've been using this company for a couple of years now, and I have made a lot of money just off of these products that I market and sell to my audience every single day. And now I'm giving away my secret on how you can do it yourself as well. I'm going to leave the link to check this website out down below this YouTube video. And if you have any questions, make sure you drop those questions in the comments. I always reply back.